Hey divas, let's style an updo. This updo was such a great protective style. It was long lasting and easy to work with in my day-to-day lifestyle, literally get up and go. But before we get started, go ahead and drop some arrow emojis in the comments because we going all the way up today. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more beauty content. So we are going to start sectioning our hair. I parted my hair into two sections from ear to ear. A tip that helps is to make sure you start the part behind the ear. The main product, and really the only product that we're using today, is Auntie Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse with the grapeseed oil. This mousse is definitely anti-frizz and it keeps my styles long lasting for sure. You want to make sure you apply a generous amount to each twist, like a lot, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, divas, it's never easy twisting and braiding blindly, but here are some tips that can help you out. So number one is to practice. It does help to practice on a mannequin and other people before trying this on yourself. Number two is to work in a consistent pattern. You want to twist, grab, and add. It's like braiding, but instead of 4 motions, it's 3. So when you twist, you want to start as you normally would if you were doing just a regular twist set versus a flat twist set. You would start as you normally would, then you would grab on to what you want to add in and then reach under to secure the loose strand. Like I said, it does take practice. Give yourself grace. It took me a while to get. I'm going to go ahead and slow things down for you and I will be back in a bit. I'm back. So when you get to the front section of your hair, you want to section the front into 2 even sections with that part in the middle. You're going to go ahead and section off your bang, and then you're going to continue to twist using the same method that we talked about earlier. For the twist in the front, I started my twist off with the braid. This helps with elongation and it helps to prevent shrinkage when drying. Now let's talk about this braid's transition into the twist. When braiding, take that middle strand and split it into 2 and begin twisting to the right. Twisting to the right is important because if you go left, it won't be as secure. Now it's time to create that updo bump at the top. I did get kind of cut off right here because I accidentally flipped the camera, but it's okay. Keep watching because I'm going to do it again, unfortunately, y'all. Like, my hands be hurting at this point. But I went ahead and wrapped everything with a scarf and waited about an hour, and these were my results. Very, very cute, right? I could have left it like this, but I didn't quite like how it shaped my face. So I went in and unfortunately undid the 2 flat twists in the front, added 2 twists on the side of my head and 2 more twists in the front of my head. I think this helped shape my face more. I love this look so much better. Tell me what you think about in the comments. I was upset I had to redo the bump because it took so many bobby pins. That's why I keep saying unfortunately, because like I said, my hands were hurting. I had to take all those bobby pins out and start over, but whatever. It was definitely worth it. I'm looking at this video. I forgot I had this dance break. Like, you just gotta, like, honestly be delusional and just dance through the pain and keep going, divas, and do your hair however makes you happy. Do what you want to do. Take your time and give yourself grace and have fun. That's the most important part. Okay, so let's get into this bump. I thought this was really cute, like early 2000s. Like, you know how it's like when your hair is pressed, you would do like that bump. I feel like this gave that. It was really cute. So let's get into the bump. So when doing the bump, I crossed the twists. Basically, it was like me crossing them on top of each other. It was sort of randomized though. Like I would use 2 at a time, then 1 at a time. I just mainly made sure the ends of the twists were tucked away. And it was kind of like a fishtail motion I mimicked. If you ever did a fishtail braids, you definitely know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, make sure to pay attention because this is definitely showing like the full process. I did speed it up a little bit, but this is a great example of how I was able to achieve this bump. It wasn't hard at all, just a little tedious, and especially at this point since this is my second time doing this today. But honestly, give yourself grace, have fun. It won't turn out exactly like mine. Like we all have different shaped heads, different hair textures and techniques. Like you can do this smaller, you can do it bigger. This is just me dropping some inspiration. Isn't that just gorgeous? Now just look at that updo. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. Do you like the more minimal one or do you like the more face framing one? This is the battle of the updos. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. So with all that being said, we got down to what it takes to do this beautiful updo. So that's it, divas. Make sure y'all like this video and subscribe for more hair and beauty inspiration. And go ahead and drop some arrows in the comments because we definitely went all the way up in this video today, divas. And if you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to reach out and I'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, divas. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Love y'all.